Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing something that I have anticipated doing and really wanted to do since even really before I got the vet. And that is the Night Drive TV Sleepy Eye mod. And my dog just barked. So I'm not going to cover this in detail really, just because Night Drive's already got a video put out on this. But essentially, raise the headlight up manually with this knob back here. And first we're going to loosen these and take these out. So I'm just going to do that real quick. All right, gentlemen and ladies. I haven't filmed anything. It's day 2. Where did I leave it? There it is. Hook up the battery. I just hooked up the wire to this. This has been an adventure. So let me hook up the battery real quick and we're gonna test those. All right. We're back. I don't know where to set this where it's not gonna fall. All right. Wrench in hand. This one worked. Why no power? These should be on. Maybe I'm not crimped well enough. All right, I'll be back in a minute. Attempt 2. Nope. I tapped into the 12 volt. It's gonna make a whirring sound. No. Yeah. Yeah, turn this just up twice. Still nothing. I don't think that's your wire, man. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's 6:30. I gotta go to work here in a minute. But progress is they're all wired in. They work. We got it figured out on that side at least. But for some reason the adjustment was way off on that one, so I had to fix that, and that took me a while. It was 10 last night by the time we got it figured out. But hopefully, now that it's day 3, we'll have her figured out. Man, I did not intend it taking this long, but you know, things happen. Now I gotta take a different vehicle. Like half of this because I was just struggling. Yeah. Parking? That's parking. Ready for 6 halos on. Ready for lows? Yep. No. No? Come on. this is working before the relay got put on. Nothing from over here too? Oh no, that one's working, but that one's not. Connect.
Stop filming.
You can. All right, ladies and gentlemen. The Sleepy Eye kit is in. All right. Took us 3 nights after work to get it fully installed. We got the motors fixed, and I did not film much of it. Now, before you're like, why didn't you film anything? We were trying to get it done in one night. So, we spent probably a total of 10 hours on it, getting it all done, just because we ran into a bunch of random bugs and then adjustment, whatever. But it's in, it's cool, and yeah. So, I ordered vette lights, corner lights, to go right here, and they haven't showed up yet. I don't know what's up with that, right? They were supposed to show up like on Friday, but they didn't. So, what we're gonna do is, well, not what we're gonna do. What did show up is the other lights I ordered. Pause. The other lights I ordered. Which are these. These are the vette light laser corner lights. Pretty spiffy. So, there you go. That's not even for these things. Yeah, these things are pretty sweet. Let's throw them on. Starting with the left side and working our way over, I need these. All right, step 1, grab a T15 and remove your stock outer taillight. Just 2 bolts. Right, where you got? All right, with those both removed, you should be able to take it out, and this clip will twist and come off. All right, so there you go. You just twist it to the left, and it should come off nice and easy. There's a stock taillight. I don't have new ones of these yet because I'm a broke boy and I'm saving up for nice ones. Also, the car's really dirty right now just because I haven't had time to wash it. But I will get it cleaned soon, and I'll get you an edit soon. So you can't see it right now, but I have a socket on the bolts, and I'm just spinning it right now. It's gonna be a lot of this to get it off. There's 2 bolts on the back that are threaded into the plastic. It's gonna be a while. I'll just cut to the end. Quick little update. Bolt number 1, or nut number 1, is out. Light is loose. 1 more to go. Man, this is so much easier than the Sleepy Eyes. All right. Come here, handy dandy wrench. We're on a mission. There we go, got it out. Ladies and gentlemen, I have plugged it in. It's in there. Polarity is checked. And I flipped the little switch that does a little animation. I didn't even know it did this. Check this out, check this out. Do you know how sick that is? That's so sick. Oh my goodness. I feel so cool. Look at that. Alright, I gotta put the 2 bolts back on, put the taillight back on, and this side's done. With that, ladies and gentlemen, hi there. It's time. A little loose. I can tighten it up real quick. But dude, look how clean that looks. Choo! I cleaned the panel around it, as you can see. Let's hit that. That startup, you know what I'm saying? Not the whole car, but. Ready? Catch that? That's so sick. Dude, I didn't even know they did that. And it looks so good. It's really bright. Looks really modern. Dude, that is... Yeah, look at this. That sounds beautiful. Now look at this. Now it is dirty, to be fair. But like, what? That does not look near as good as that. Like, come on. Boom. Got the side markers with Vette Lights sunglasses. Those are fire. We'll be wearing those today.
Yeah.
Sticker. Business card. Another sticker. Some other information. Instructions. And lights. Just removing this passenger air dam. Alright, there's that air dam piece out. Man, I'm not even on it. Come here, buddy. Now, this is one of those you got there. Things about a vet, you can't see most of the stuff. Trust me, it's worth it.
Neither can the camera.
I know the camera can't. You can see my beautiful face, actually. You can see everything. I mean, I can't see it, so you don't get to see it either.
And go around the other. Sound of what now?
You'll never believe it.
A
I
nut?
lost this when I was putting the sleepy eyes on. Here it is. Another video is foggy, but boom. That's the first side in. Kind of difficult to get your hands up in there, but man, it does look good. Can't wait to see them in action. Get that side versus that side. Second side in, this one went way faster, but I gotta bring you along for the satisfying part here. Oh man, it already ripped. Oh, look at that. Man. You're digging that out forever. Looks good, dude. Looks good.